Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Using Newton's second law. In this problem, one person is pushing a food tray with a force of 9 Newton, and the food tray as well pushes a milk carton with some force. There is no frictional force between the food tray and the table. We have to find the acceleration of the tray and curtain and the horizontal force that the tray exerts on the curtain. First, we have to identify the relevant concept. Since unbalanced force is acting on the body, it produces acceleration in the body, so Newton's second law will be applied. First step is to identify the relevant concept. We have identified the Newton's second law because body is in non-equilibrium situation. And next we have to find the target variables. There are two target variables that we have to find. First is the acceleration of the tray and curtain. Second target variable is the force exerted by the tray on the curtain. Next step of setup. First we have to draw the free body diagram of tray and curtain. We place a dot for tray and curtain, and there are three forces acting on the tray and curtain. First force is the weight that is acting downward. Second force is a normal reaction that is acting in upward direction, and the third force vector is the force applied by the hand, and these three forces are acting on the food tray and the milk curtain that produces acceleration in the body. So acceleration is in the direction of unbalanced force. Next we have to attach a set of coordinate axes. In the direction of force we set up x-axis, and perpendicular to it we set up y-axis. Next step is execute. Data given in the problem: the mass of the food tray was 1 kg and mass of the milk curtain was 0.5 kg. So the combined mass becomes 1.5 kg. We have to find the acceleration of the tray and curtain. We will adopt the Newton's second law of motion. So we will calculate the acceleration in the body. Acceleration is equal to force over mass. Applied force is 9 Newton and total mass is 1.5 kg. So the acceleration along x-axis becomes 6 meter per second square. Then we have to find the force exerted by the tray on the milk curtain. So we will apply Newton's second law of motion. Ft, force exerted by the food tray, is equal to mc into ax, where mc is the mass of the milk curtain and ax is the acceleration along x-axis. Since the value of mc is 0.5 kg and ax is equal to 6, it becomes 3 Newton. Next step is to evaluate. So in order to evaluate the force exerted by the food tray on milk curtain, we adopt a second method. So we will first draw the free body diagram of the milk curtain. We place a big dot for this milk curtain. Then there are three forces acting on this milk curtain. First is its weight, W. This is about 0.5 kg. And next is its normal reaction in upward direction. And next is the force exerted by the tray on this milk curtain. This is to be calculated. Using Newton's second law, we can calculate this force. Ft is equal to mc ac. By putting the value of mc and ax, we get that the force exerted by the tray is 3 Newton. Force exerted by the tray on the milk curtain is same as we calculated from this second method, so our result is true. Thank you very much for watching this video.